एक्रो योगा के क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं?
So first of all, I think लोगों को पता नहीं है शायद एक्रो योगा है क्या. एक्रो योगा is a practice जिसमें वो सारी चीज़ें जो हम योगा में करते हैं on a mat, we get to do them on top of another person, right? So like I said, it's a partner practice. You do it with another person.
Yeah.
So it is an opportunity to build trust with that person. It is an opportunity to learn to communicate with that person. It is an opportunity to learn how to give feedback to this person, because it's so easy to get mad at the person for not doing it right. कि तुम गलत कर रही हो या तुम गलत कर रहे हो और तुम्हें नहीं आता, right? But it is an opportunity to be kind and express your need. I would like you to do this.
Yes.
I would
change the phrases.
I would like this because I can't balance on one leg yet. My strength is not there yet. So how can I make myself vulnerable in order to express my need? And when
so
we
it
do,
changes you in many ways.
So when we talk like that, it starts to bring people together. Because of course I want to help you. You know, because when you say tum ye, there's a defense wall. नहीं मैं तो नहीं ये कर रहा था. But when you change your tone and say this is what I would
everything
like,
changes. Yeah.
You know, that tone shifts and people come closer. People come together.
Okay, so mostly friends आते हैं या people are coming from, yeah, the strangers also coming, couples आ रहे हैं या aged लोग आते हैं.
So initially जब लोग आना शुरू हुए तो it was friends coming together, people who knew each other. But my favorite moments, so I host this public jam at Hilal Park every Sunday. And my favorite part of the practice is when someone from the park comes in. Someone who doesn't know me, someone who doesn't know my friends. And they're standing there one week thinking, यार ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं उनको बुलाता हूँ, आ जाओ, नहीं हम नहीं आएंगे. फिर वो अगले वीक फिर आते हैं.
आ जाते हैं.
और इस दफ़ा वो ट्राई करते हैं.
और
जब वो ट्राई करते हैं तो वो हवा में उड़ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
और जब वो उड़ जाते हैं वो जो फीलिंग होती है, वाओ.
हाँ, जो मेरे साथ हुआ है.
मुझे लगता था मैं ये कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
नहीं, मुझे ये ज़्यादा टेंशन थी when we tried here. मुझे ये टेंशन हो रही थी कि how is he going to balance, and he was so calm. और मुझे लग रहा था मैं तो गिरूंगी, what will happen to his legs? But it went really well.
Yeah. Because of course there's techniques. But what I was saying was the most beautiful thing is when strangers come together.
Yes,
and through this practice, they become friends. And they leave as friends.
Very.
And I think that's my purpose.
Communication अच्छी करता है. It gives you opportunity कि आप friends बने. Is it really expensive?
So like I said, the park jam that I host every Sunday is free of cost.
It's free of cost.
So it is my effort to literally bring people together. So I host this space at the
park में और भी बड़े लोग आ रहे होते हैं अजलान.
And this is
उनको
why
भी तो handle करना होता है.
हाँ, and we've had challenges. We've had challenges.
वो challenges क्या थे?
कि आप ये घर जाके करें, ये यहाँ नहीं कर सकते. You know? But actually 2 weeks ago this happened again. Someone called the guards on us. And they were like, आप घर जाएं, आप ये नहीं कर सकते. And you know what happened? We've been in that park for 5 years and the park community came. They're like, ये बच्चे हमारे, ये हर संडे आते हैं, रौनक लगाते हैं पार्क के अंदर. So वही लोग जो हमें पहले जो है मना करते थे कि now it was such a nice feeling to stand there with the park standing behind us and being like, you know, there are kids, we're part of this park community, let them be. And then the guards left. So it's been quite a journey for the past 7 years to normalize acro
And even
yoga.
Kids can come for this.
Of course, this is the
it's
practice
for
anyone and everyone. We've had uncles, we've had burqa-clad aunties. It's been so beautiful to have everyone come together in one place and play.